Hello and welcome to Amazing Factos Official. If you're here, it means you're as passionate about unraveling mysteries and learning fascinating facts as we are. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to the coldest corners of our planet, the North Pole and Antarctica. These icy realms are shrouded in mystery and filled with tales of survival, resilience, and extreme conditions. So buckle up, get comfortable, and prepare to be amazed. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us. Now let's brace ourselves as we dive into the chilling mysteries of the North Pole and Antarctica. Did you know that Antarctica holds the record for the coldest temperature ever experienced on our planet? A bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit? Welcome to the North Pole and Antarctica, lands of white ice and endless snow. These polar territories are a universe of extremes with relentless sun, roaring winds, and piercing cold. The environment is so severe it seems impossible for life to exist. Yet life persists. The resilient polar bears of the Arctic and the tenacious penguins of Antarctica survive, even thrive in these conditions. Let's not forget the powerful katabatic winds of Antarctica and the mighty polar cyclones of the North Pole, creating infamous brutality. Hailed as symbols of survival, these regions bring life even in the coldest conditions. Fact: the North Pole and Antarctica serve as striking symbols of survival against the harshest conditions imaginable. Beneath the formidable icy covers of these polar regions lie enigmatic secrets that have perplexed scientists for countless years. One key mystery is Lake Vostok, embedded in Antarctica's heart, entombed under miles of ice. Its existence, an enigma, enthralls researchers as it harbors life in harsh conditions. This opens questions about the likelihood life in other extreme terrains. The North Pole also houses riddles like Earth's unpredictable magnetic north, affecting navigation and animal migrations. Its erratic motions cause remains uncertain, escalating the enigma. Other oddities include heat vents and a peculiar seismic humming. These icy regions, though inhospitable, are filled with scientific puzzles. Each new finding entices us deeper into understanding our intriguing planet. Beyond doubt, both North Pole and Antarctica harbor deep-seated mysteries beneath the ice that continue to baffle and beguile. Did you know that Antarctica, the frigid, desolate expanse at the bottom of the world, is the only continent on Earth devoid of a permanent human population? Although devoid of permanent residents, it's governed by the Antarctic Treaty, which fosters scientific cooperation and prohibits military activity. It's a region of geopolitical intrigue, but territorial claims are on hold, not denied. The North Pole is a frozen sea subject to international maritime law. Unlike Antarctica, it lacks a protective treaty, leaving territorial sovereignty a contentious issue concerning untapped oil and gas reserves. Russia, Canada, and Denmark have staked claims, setting a stage for strategic power plays. In a world fragmented by national borders, the North Pole and Antarctica stand as the last vestiges of unclaimed territories, realms of ice and mystery, untouched, unfettered, and unknown. The poles are currently experiencing a significant rise in temperature, warming faster than any place on Earth. Evidence suggests accelerated melting of ice caps, raising sea levels, and threatening coastal cities and island nations. Polar wildlife such as polar bears and penguins face possible extinction due to habitat loss. The poles also regulate weather patterns and ocean currents, acting as Earth's air conditioners. With them under threat, our global climate system risks destabilization. And perhaps what's most chilling is the understanding that it's our actions, the unprecedented levels of greenhouse gas emissions and rampant deforestation that have brought us to. Despite the challenges, the North Pole and Antarctica have magnetized explorers for centuries. Icons like Amundsen and Robert Peary braved brutal conditions to make history. Amundsen's strategic planning led him through the Antarctic wilderness, while Peary and his team overcame severe frostbite to reach the North Pole. Other notable names include Sir Ernest Shackleton, known for leading his crew to safety during a disastrous expedition, and Richard Webber, who holds the record for most full trips to the North Pole. Today, these regions attract adventure tourists fascinated by their pristine beauty. Companies offer adventure cruises to these icy frontiers, while thrill seekers opt for guided treks across the polar ice. Journeys require resilience, but the allure and sense of accomplishment they offer are irresistible. The North Pole and Antarctica, harsh beauty and extreme conditions to captivate the brave and the curious. The North Pole and Antarctica, two of the most extreme yet incredibly captivating places our planet has to offer. Our voyage was a study in contrasts, exploring the vibrant life in the icy North Pole and the resilient wildlife braving the harsh expanses of Antarctica. Beneath the ice, we discovered ancient subglacial lakes and cryptic creatures. We navigated lands paradoxically rich despite their inhospitable climates. We pondered their influence on our global climate and the imperative need for their preservation. We felt the magnetic allure of the poles, which has driven countless explorers on perilous quests, fueled by a thirst for discovery, yet much remains unexplored. The icy landscape of the poles is a symphony with many notes yet to be heard. If this voyage to the ends of the earth has intrigued you, remember to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts and unrevealed mysteries from every corner of